Kids.
I'm Corin.
And I'm Alyssa.
Now, how's are you all this week? Are you okay?
We hope you're keeping all nice and wrapped up and warm in this cold, chilly weather.
It's double duvet time for me, Alyssa.
It is. Now, we have a very fun song today, don't we, Corin?
We do.
And it involves a bit of a story. And this song is called Ali Bally, Ali Bally Bee. Exactly. So, this story happened a long time ago.
A long time ago, in the 1800s to be precise.
And it was about a man called Robert Coulter.
Rabbi Coulter. Now, Robert Coulter loved making candy. Now, his candy was delicious, and his kids used to share their candy with their friends, and their friends liked the candy so much that they asked Mr. Coulter if he'd make them candy too so they could share it with their friends. And Mr. Coulter thought to himself, I think I've got a business here.
So he started off by going around the streets with a basket of candy on his head. And he would wander the streets and go to a corner and put the basket on a little stand that he had over his shoulders. And he would ring his bell. Now, Corin, do you know how we know that the ice cream van is there? What happens?
Now, what happens?
What do you know? What happens?
I can.
What is it?
It makes music.
It makes music! Exactly, and this is exactly what Robert Coulter did. So he would sing his song and ring his bell, and that is how it started.
And do you know what happened? He moved from a basket, because his business was so successful, that he moved to a horse and cart. And then his business was so successful that Mr. Coulter was able to buy a wee shop called Coulter's Candy.
And you can still get Coulter's Candy to this day.
And you know what? It's delicious.
So here we go. This song has lots of fun action, so join in with us. Ali Bally Bee, sitting on your mammy's knee, greeting for a wee bobby to buy some Coulter's candy. Poor wee Jeannie, she's looking happy thin, a wrinkle of beans covered our wee skin. Now she's getting a wee double chin with sucking Coulter's candy. Ali Bally Bee, sitting on your mammy's knee, greeting for a wee bobby to buy some Coulter's candy. Mammy gave me my thirsty tune, here's old Coulter coming round, with a basket on his croon, selling Coulter's candy. Ali Bally Bee, sitting on your mammy's knee, greeting for a wee bobby to buy some Coulter's candy. Ali Bally Bee, when you grow up you'll go to sea, macking pennies for your daddy and me to buy mere Coulter's candy. Ali Bally Bee, sitting on your mammy's knee, greeting for a wee bobby to buy some Coulter's candy. Ali Bally Bee, sitting on your mammy's knee, greeting for a wee bobby to buy some Coulter's candy. To buy some Coulter's candy. To buy some Coulter's candy. Thanks so much for watching, everybody.
I hope you sang along with us.
And joined in the actions too.
Now, you could maybe draw a picture of Mr. Coulter and his candy holder on his head.
Or create your own candy shop.
Oh, create your own candy shop and take some pictures.
Lovely. So we'll see you all next week. Make sure you like and subscribe.
And have a brilliant week, everybody.
Bye, everyone.
Bye.